So I bought this truck off the Facebook Marketplace for 1,300 bucks. The transmission was messed up, so I found a used one on Facebook that had a rebuilt. It said 25,000 miles ago for 300 bucks, so here it is. So I'm going to swap and play it. I haven't done it just yet because of the snow. I'm going to build myself a little tent to go around this so I won't have to worry about this weather again. Something funny though, they said it had a 4.8 liter in it, which I'm like, that's fine. It's hard to tell on these what it has, but the VIN actually comes back to it having a 5.3. And I got my 5.3 here in my Avalanche. One of the easiest ways to tell is that it still has a sticker on. You can tell right there, it says it has the 5.3. I also noticed on the head here, it will tell you that this one has a 706 head on the right there. Got me curious. So I was like, wait, can you tell by the heads? As you can see, no sticker. But as you see in here, down there, it says it has an 862 head. But from what I'm seeing online is they can't tell you, the heads are interchangeable, and the only way to tell is I guess the pistons. So I guess I'm going to do that, look down the bore, see if it has the flat pistons, which would have been flat pistons would have been in the 4.8, and the dished pistons are in the 5.3. So we're going to do a little video comparing the two and seeing. But then yeah, I don't know, is the 4.8 better than the 5.3 or the 5.3 better than the 4.8?